welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are starting a new session, that is product designing. So we have to design the first product, that is trust line, and the description of trust line has been given in starting. So let's start. First we have to choose this model. Now okay. After this, the first step is to select the sketch on which plane we have to work. That is XY. You can choose XZ or this. Make sure this should be horizontal. Okay, now make it. Okay, now let's start with first thing, that the rectangle. How much rectangle? 275 in length and breadth 50. So again from this origin point to 275 up to 50. Now click. Now rectangle has been created. Now orient view to sketch like this. Now make a finish sketch. From here you can do it isometric. Now how much we have to extrude, we can see here up to 6 mm. Okay. Now select the extrude command. Select the curves. Now select one curve because there is a connected curve, other curve will be automatically connected. So up to distance 6. From boolean you have to choose the none because we have to do nothing like unite subtract. Now make it okay like this. Okay, so now we have to make this subtract. Like first we have to make these 2D designs of two boxes like this. So let's start from, go back to NX. Now select the sketch again because we have to make the this. Now from here you can choose the here from, make the sure that to make use the vertical. Now click OK. Okay, now make it pan something like this. Zoom. Now we have to make the rectangle again. From here you can make the rectangle of 50 up to 50 and 50. Now click right button and OK. Now choose the profile for making those two objects. From here first make a center line. Now from here make a 2.5 and angle 180. Now remove this. From this point start again up to 2.5 and 270. Okay, now join both the lines. This is the point, join both the lines. Okay, make sure both lines are parallel. So making it like this. Here you can see both lines are parallel. Now we have to make same line in the opposite side. So we will use the mirror curve to save our time. So select the curve and then select the center line. Okay, this. Now make the OK. And this is a reference line. You can delete it or you can put it, no problem. Okay, something like this. Okay. Now again, this distance is 5 and this distance is 5. Okay. So making from here units like this. Now just select again profile and object type to line. Okay, this up to 5 and 0 and in straight 5 and 90. Okay, now we have to make a straight line up to this, something like this. Now again remove this point and from here you can make it straight. Okay, now first remove all the curves with trim command. Quick trim here, shortcut key is T. Okay, select the curves, this 2.5 line and now this. Here we have also made one 2.5 line. Remove this point and this one. Okay, this one. Now make it orient view to sketch like this. Remove this one too. Now this one, because we have to need nothing. Now we cannot remove this. Now remove all one. Okay, go back. How much here of our radius? 2. Radius 2. Okay, now make it fillet. Fillet from here you can get, from here you can get the fillet command. Okay, fillet the radius up to 2. where this and this and this and this we can see again. Yeah, there is also. So make it again 2. Okay, now you want this on the other side, so use again the mirror curve. Select the curves, this one, and this one, this and this. Okay, now select the center line. The center line same has been. Now this will be converted into a reference line. Okay, now remove this. Yeah, hide this. Okay, no problem. Hide this one. So now we don't need this, so we can trim it. Okay, like this, something like this. Trim this one also. Okay, now cut it. Now again make it to isometric view. We can make it finish sketch. Okay, so now we have to make it extrude. Select the curves. We can select the this one and this one too. Okay, reverse the direction because we have to extrude it downwards. Now from boolean you can choose the subtract. They select body is already selected. Now you can subtract it how much you want, and now select the okay, and these two boxes get empty. Now hide it. Okay, now we have made these two. Okay, now count how much we have to make. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Up to what distance? To 45. Now make it go back. Now select the pattern feature. The description of pattern feature has been already posted on our channel. You can go and see there. Now select the features. Okay, now select these two, extrude. Now specify the vector in the x direction. Okay, how much? Up to 6 because one has been already made. 5 we have to make, so total 6, and the pitch distance is 45. How pitch distance is 45? From here 45. Okay, now make it okay like this. We have make all this. Okay, now hide this one also. Okay, from here you can choose the render and true set it. Now it will look something attractive. Okay, something like this. This is a truss flange.